Her first name Eli, where she from England. What her address 29 Victory Road, Birmingham. What her phone number 07700955031. How old is she? She 20. What her job? She a student. Is she married? No, she isn't. Hi, is it your band Metro 5? Yes, it is great. And are you Donnie McNabb? No, I'm not. I'm poor McNabb. This is Donnie. He's my brother. Yes, sorry. Hi, Donnie. You're a builder from Scotland, right? Yeah, I am a builder, but I'm not from Scotland. Oh, where are you from? We are from England. Are the other boys from England too? No, they are from different countries. Oh, interesting. And are they all builder? No, they are poor bus driver and just and a bus driver and Ronan a nurse and Bo and Isan are student. Interesting. And Donnie, are you the singer in the band? Yes, I am. We are all singer. Alright, nice to meet you. Good luck to you all. Thank you very much. What about the name Metro 5? Are poor and Donnie brother? Yes, they are. Are they all from Scotland? No, they aren't. Are the other boys from England? No, they aren't. Are they all builder? No, they aren't. Are they all singer? Yes, they are. Good morning, hello, what's your name? Please, my name, Denko, her name, thank you, and where are you from? Denko, I'm from Mexico City. Thank you, and your telephone number, please, 554624731. How old are you? Denko, I'm 42, and what's your job? I'm a taxi driver. And are you married? No, I'm not. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. What's your name? Please try to. And where are you from? From New York. So you're from the United States? Yes, I am. What's your phone number? 212638947. Thank you. How old are you? I'm 33. What's your job? Me too. I'm a shop assistant. And are you married? Yes, I am. That's fine. Thank you very much. The Metro 5 are in Brazil. They are in Brazil. They in the United States. They in New York. They are in New York. They in Africa. Both from Australia. He isn't from Australia. He from Sweden. He's from Sweden. He isn't from Sweden. He's from Brazil. They very tired. They are tired. They happy and excited to be here. Hi, now this is your first time in Latvia. Yes, that I is fantastic here in Redwood. Now one by one, Ronan, you're from Australia. Yes, I am. And how old are you, Ronan? I'm 24. Okay, and you're from Brazil and Isan from Sweden. No, I'm not from Brazil. Isan from Brazil and from Sweden. Sorry guys, so Bo and Isan, how old are you? We are both 21. Yes, that's right. Okay, now Donnie and who your brother? Yes, we are. And you're from Scotland? No, we are from Scotland. We are from England. Oh yes, sorry. How old are you both? I'm 22 and I'm 19. Say now who married in Metro 5? We are married. I am a Ronan. You're married. Yes, my wife name Lisa. She isn't here. She in Australia. I'm very thank you Metro 5. Welcome to Latvia. Great to hear say. And sorry that okay a coffee thing that 120 pounds. Say very much. Excuse me, we are the station. In our there. Say a lot. Thank you very much. hand. That's okay. Hey, hurry as I sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me, we are the center. Sorry, I don't know.
តទៀត
It's an married Jessie in where they have it in London. What any shop see a doctor where her hospital in the center of London. Watching job he's a band manager and their children both at school now and ma and school with is at university. And they is Jim by Jim is and they husband and ma is and they and Jim daughter with is their son and they is with mother. Jim is and ma father and ma is sister with is and ma father and they and Jim are and ma and with parent and ma and with are Jim and they children. Come on, Emma, time for school. Mom, where are my school book? By everybody, and out to work. Have a good day. Bye, and see you this evening. Good morning, Miss Club. How are you today? Hi, my name is Lana Nix, and I'm from the United States. And my family, our house is in Chicago. This is my father. His name is Oga, and he's 19. He's a student in college. This is my mother. Her name Maria. She policeman and she a Spanish teacher. And this is my father, Alfredo. He's 52 and he's a businessman. What your name? My name and name. What are your name? Our name are Emma and Vinci. Pool and three are students. Their school is in Paris. My sister married. What her husband name? My brother Alfie is in New York. What her job? Where is our English class? Mom and dad are in Rome. What the name of their hotel?
ចាំទៅអូខេគេកន្លែងណាត្រូវឆ្ងល់ទេអត់ទេណាអរគុណច្រើនហើយប្រឹងប្រែងរៀនសូត្របន្ថែមណា